We're almost the middle of October now, and we're in the middle of the delivery season. As I explained last time, this is the part where we have the loose bulbs. And you can see now the place is getting more and more empty every day. On my right hand side are the bulbs that we have already packed. The order pickers are going through this area every day to pick the orders which we will put on transport. Here we are at the packing station. This is the back of the machine where we put the bulbs in the machine. Sometimes just a single varieties, or sometimes we mix them over here. And I'll show you the other side of the machine. At this point in the machine, we have a last look at the quality of the bulbs before we pack them. Here the bulbs are being counted, and we make bags of 100. This machine is new and it can count at a tremendous speed, up to 1 million bulbs per week. At this point of the machine, bulbs can be counted in bags, mostly bags of 100, and on the other side we count them in crates. As you know, we use a lot of bulbs for machine planting, and here the bulbs are being counted in crates for the machine plant projects. At this point we are doing the order picking, where the order picker together with his handheld computer goes through the stock and puts in every bag needed for all the different orders. So in the crates you will find multiple bags with different varieties. Each variety has a label telling what variety or what mix it is. This is a packed order with different labels on the crates telling what product it is, and sometimes a product is packed in 2 crates, 1 of 2, 2 of 2, and it claims the area where the bulbs will be planted at the customer's place. Like I said, this is the middle almost of October. Another 5-6 weeks and then the season is ready again, and we will wait for our Christmas presents again.